talking to them.
How was this case with us and with the BOPT course with Aman? Did you learn anything? Did you find it useful? Would you be interested to take this forward, this technique forward in your practice? And did this course help you to feel confident to do so?
For sure, yeah. I think he covered a lot of key concepts which I was a bit confused about. The lab side of it, which you were there, brilliant to explain things as well.
Thank you, sir.
So I think, yeah, it's been an incredible course. I think the use of the different burs as well, you went over each step, including temporization, which is often very difficult to do.
Fair.
So we covered a lot of good concepts as well.
Yeah.
Lab-made provisionals, we party-made provisionals as well. So I thought, yeah, excellent course.
And the theoretical part, was it something that you already had a taste of, or did you have a course already? Was today your first approach to this technique?
So I first saw on the tubules, so I think that's an excellent way to start for anyone that wants to have a look at this kind of work. And then everything was kind of shown, similar sort of stuff on the tubules on this lecture, but it covered a lot of questions that I had previously as well. So I've seen a lot of videos online, but it's nice to see it finally done in practice.
It was much closer in terms of a small group and very unique and bespoke response, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. I think having a small group means that you can keep quite intimate and you have people sort of answer questions without being worried so much.
Talking to them.
Pull up the single turn up.